installation, which allows you access to the radiator front. Plenty of room in the back. It'll reach you 3.5 inches from the original one that they had on the engine. Access to your heater core, to your sensors, and if you need any other sensors that you want to put in there, we'll be able to do that for you. You know, additional cost, of course, but whatever you need, we can take care of. And this is what it is. And you can see inside, it's all insulated in here. And in fact, the original engine did have a pipe running through there, which wasn't insulated, returned to the water pump. So just want to let you know that, you know. And that's all there is to it, you know. Now you'll be ready to put your engine in the car. I'm going to be making another video on setting up your adapter plate and all that. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.